आमचे फेस्त रमेश सायबिणीचे फेस्त आनी ह्या फेस्ता सुमार तेग राय अशे आमचे 3 वाड्यांतले भुरगे न्हेसून येतात आरोसी कांसावली आनी कुयेली आनी घोड्यांचेर ते बसून येतात आनी ही भोव आदली परंपरा ते भशेन ते सांबाळटात बिकॉज आयचे फेस्त आमकां तरीत भशेन अदीक आनी अदीक आमच्या सोम्या जेजू क्रिस्ता भशेन जावपाक काळोखी कोरण्यो आमच्या जिवितांतल्यो पयस करून आमी सगलीं बरीं उजवाडाची भुरगीं कशीं जावंक आमकां पावलां मारूंक ही एक स्फूर्ती कशी दितात रमेश सायबिणीचे मजतीन आमी हें करूंक सगलीं वावुरता.
It's been taking place for last 500 years. The traditions are maintained by the village of Cansaulim, Cuelim and Arrosim. Each king is from each village. Now this king is selected from each village by the original people from Cansaulim. It's very difficult to get a chance because it's in a life. You get a chance in a lifetime, once in a lifetime. Especially when a child is born from that community, his name is written at least 5-6 years prior, and then later on he gets his chance. So after taking his first Holy Communion, he gets a chance to be one of the kings. And then on the feast day, the horses are arranged by the community of this village people. The horses are brought from Kolhapur or Solapur. The horses are brought prior to this, and then it is distributed to one of the kings. And the significance and the culture is maintained for the last 500 years.
What is the age group of children that are selected to be king?
Basically, after they receive their first Holy Communion, they are entitled to be the kings. So it's the age group is between 7 to 9, 10.
Okay, tell us about significance of this. Why this festival is celebrated?
So it is a relevance when Jesus was born, and the 3 kings came to visit him. They came with 3 gifts: myrrh, frankincense, and gold. So it is each king carries one of the significance which was presented to Jesus. So that is the significance with this, and it was given to Jesus on 6th January. So all the 3 kings meet together here, and then they go up to the chapel where the mass will be celebrated, and they will offer their gifts to the church.
This is also 15th day of Christmas.
Yeah.
And this is where
Today is basically we end the Christmas celebration in the prolonged 2 weeks. Today is the last day. So you see, today we finish the Christmas celebrations.
Okay, how many people participate in this festival, and over the years whether the response is less or more?
Usually what happens is when it's a working day you see less people, but gradually people do come. If it's a weekend, the crowd is it's bit more and to my uncontrollable, but you definitely have crowd on top because now you have to climb, you have to walk, so people don't walk usually, but they'll be waiting on top for the mass.
You can explain us.